Could your dream classic car really cost less than 10 grand? Stay with me, because these 15 classics include some incredible deals you won't want to miss. Car number 1. 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe. Let's kick things off with a true American icon. This 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe from Westport, Massachusetts is listed for $10,000. It still has its original 302 V8, automatic transmission, and rear axle, plus a factory front bench seat, a pretty uncommon option. The seller includes a Marty report, says it runs and shifts great, and even throws in a brand new front disc brake conversion kit. It does have some rust, but with a solid drivetrain, it's a great restoration candidate.
Car number 2, 1965 Ford Galaxie 500 Ltd. Next up is this 1965 Ford Galaxie 500 Ltd. from Wilmington, Massachusetts, priced at $6,500. It now runs a 360 FE V8 with an automatic transmission. While the seller admits the engine and transmission are getting tired, the car still runs and drives well. Recent brakes, exhaust, fuel pump, and aluminum radiator make this a very solid survivor, with decades of maintenance records included.
Car number 3, 1964 Chevrolet Classic. Here's an affordable full-size Chevrolet from Solon, Ohio. This 1964 Chevrolet Classic is listed at just $5,000. The seller keeps it simple, describing the car as being in great condition and willing to negotiate on price. If you're looking for an inexpensive vintage cruiser with room to personalize, this one could be worth a closer look. Car number 4. 1968 Ford Thunderbird. This 1968 Ford Thunderbird Coupe from Edsel, Massachusetts is priced at only $5,000. It's a survivor with its numbers-matching 429 V8 and C6 automatic transmission. The seller says it runs reliably, has new tires, replacement ignition parts, and recently installed engine mounts. There's some rust to repair, but the necessary sheet metal is included, making this a very tempting full-size luxury classic. Car number 5, 1960 Edsel Ranger. Wrapping up part 1 is this eye-catching 1960 Edsel Ranger from Silver Spring, Maryland, listed for $8,500. As the final model year of the Edsel, it's one of only about 1,100 Ranger 4-door sedans produced, making it genuinely uncommon. It features a rebuilt V8 engine, restored front suspension, fresh white wall tires, and complete chrome trim. The seller is only letting it go because of an upcoming move, making this a rare opportunity to own one of Ford's most collectible classics. Car number 6, 1968 Dart SE. Leading off part 2 is this 1968 Dart SE from Rainham, Massachusetts, listed for $5,000. It's powered by Chrysler's dependable 225/6, backed by a freshly rebuilt 904 automatic transmission. The seller says it runs and drives smoothly with no mechanical issues. It has a new gas tank, new starter, matching numbers, and a solid frame, with only minor rust around the lower fenders. For the price, this looks like a dependable vintage cruiser. Car number 7. 1959 Edsel Ranger. Next is this 1959 Edsel Ranger from Hicksville, New York, priced at $5,800. Finished in black with a blue interior, it's an all-original Survivor that still runs. The seller says the brake system needs to be bled before it's roadworthy, but the floors and frame are solid, with only minor rust on the lower doors. It's an affordable project for someone who appreciates one of Ford's most unique classics.
Car number 8, 1952 Ford F2 pickup. Here's a solid truck project. This 1952 Ford F2 long bed from West Hampton Beach, New York is listed for $9,900. It doesn't currently have an engine or transmission, but the seller says it's a clean, solid roller with the chassis already prepared for future upgrades. If you've been looking for a classic pickup to build exactly the way you want, this could be a great starting point.
Car number 9, 1952 Willys Jeep. Now here's something built for adventure. This 1952 Willys flat fender Jeep from Emmaus, Pennsylvania is priced at $9,999. It features a Chevy 327 small block V8, 3-speed manual transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Fresh paint, new upholstery, new brakes, a new carburetor, and a new fuel tank make this classic Jeep ready for trails, local shows, or weekend cruising. Car number 10, 1959 Ford Thunderbird. Closing out Part 2 is this 1959 Ford Thunderbird from Selkirk, New York, listed for $9,000. Showing just over 71,000 miles, this two-owner classic runs and drives with no known mechanical issues, according to the seller. Finished in a beige exterior with a matching interior, it's a stylish personal luxury coupe that's ready to be enjoyed right away.
Car number 11. 1964 Ford F100. Starting off Part 3 is this 1964 Ford F100 from Rutherford, New Jersey, listed for $9,750. This classic pickup features a manual transmission and about 66,000 miles on the odometer. While the seller doesn't provide many details, these mid-60s F100s are well known for their rugged design, dependable construction, and huge aftermarket support, making them a favorite among classic truck enthusiasts. Car number 12. 1963 Buick Riviera. Next up is this 1963 Buick Riviera project from Farmington Hills, Michigan, priced at $7,695. Under the hood is the legendary 401 Nailhead V8, and the seller says the car is a turnkey runner. It still needs brake work, interior restoration, and some finishing touches on the floor pans, but the body has already been painted, and much of the hard work has been started. It's a solid foundation for someone wanting to restore one of GM's most iconic personal luxury cars. Car number 13, 1965 Buick Riviera. Here's another Riviera, this time a 1965 model from Pennsville, New Jersey, listed for $5,000. The seller says the car needs work but is complete, with a very nice original interior and an engine that still turns over by the ignition key. It also comes with desirable factory options, including air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, power trunk release, tilt steering, and even the original owner's manual. The only major drawback is that it currently has no title. Car number 14, 1963 Ford Fairlane. Next is this 1963 Ford Fairlane 4-door from Pelham, New Hampshire, priced at $8,500. According to the seller, it runs, drives, and stops exactly as it should. The interior is in excellent condition, the radiator is new, and the body is exceptionally solid with no rust. Originally from New Mexico, it wears some honest sun-faded patina that gives it plenty of vintage character without affecting its drivability. Car number 15. 1950 Willys CJ3A. Finishing today's lineup is this 1950 Willys CJ3A from Fitchburg, Massachusetts, listed for $10,000. The seller says it runs and drives great, with a solid frame and a long list of recent upgrades, including a new clutch, brakes,
carburetor, starter, master cylinder, and a 12-volt electrical conversion. It even comes with a winch, making this early Willys Jeep a ready-to-enjoy classic that's equally at home on the trail or at a local car show. So, which classic would you park in your garage? Tell me your favorite in the comments. I always enjoy hearing your picks. If you love discovering affordable classic cars for sale, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next collection of hidden classic car deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.